Hey, Corner Squad, this your girl Shaquana coming to you loud, live, and in color. Hey, everybody, hope y'all can see me. Hope you can hear me. This is another eating video. This time, I have my leftover pepper steak and rice, and I have macaroni and cheese. And to drink, I have tea, and I have a frozen Seagram leftover from when I put it in the freezer yesterday and I forgot. And it's another Jamaican Me Happy. I put it in the freezer yesterday and it froze. And I forgot. So I couldn't drink it. You know, I had already had one yesterday. And I put another one in the freezer and I completely forgot about it, y'all. But this is my lunch. I am having fun doing these videos, y'all. Like, hold on one second. Okay, that's better, y'all. Okay. Now flipping through the TV, watching different stuff on TV. Mm. I'm hungry. And oh yeah, like I say in all of my videos, my eating videos, if you don't like burping, slurping, smacking, and none of that, this ain't the video for you. So just cut it on off. And I would not be offended because I won't even know you cut it off. But tell me what you're eating for lunch with me. I'm enjoying my food. Hold on one second. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I'm watching The Help on one channel, and I'm watching Chopped on the other. Have y'all ever seen The Help? I recommend for y'all to get the book on Amazon. If you got Kindle, download it to your Kindle. Yummy, yummy. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm, 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 hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. I tried to go live, y'all, on YouTube earlier. When I tell y'all my live was acting real stupid, oh my God, I was so pissed. I'm not full just yet, y'all. I'm not full yet. I'm almost done. That was an epic fail to me. I did not finish my food. But I'm not gonna be too hard on myself because I knew it was too much anyway. I'm not gonna even worry about it. And before any of y'all ask me, why are you using a fork to eat pepper and rice? I'm using a fork because I can pick the rice. I can pick the rice up with the macaroni and cheese. But another diamond fell off my nails. This is why I don't get these diamonds on my nails because they don't last at all. So I will not be getting more diamonds on my nails. Nope. That's it, y'all. I am done. I love the Seagram's escapes. I am not being sponsored to do anything for Seagram's. But when I tell you I love Seagram's, oh my God. I love Seagram's. And it still froze. But that is it, y'all. I am done with my food. If you made it all the way to the end of my video, put in the comment section, put pepper steak, rice, and macaroni and cheese in the comment section and tell me what was you eating or what was you doing when you was watching my video. Till next time, like I always say, have fun playing with your nails if you wear nails or if you're growing your own. Oh, excuse me. Have fun playing with your makeup if you wear makeup or you're just learning. And y'all please live life because God only gives you one.